Imagine this, it's a perfect summer night. The sun is just set, and you're surrounded by friends and family, all gathered around a crystal-clear, bright screen in your own backyard. No projectors, no bulky setups. A true outdoor television. But here's the problem most people don't talk about: not all outdoor TVs are built the same. Some can't handle the sun, others fail in the cold, and many are just a massive waste of money. After testing over a dozen models, I've narrowed it down to the only 5 that are truly worth your investment. Coming up at number 5, a TV that offers shocking value, and at number 1, the undisputed king of the outdoor cinema. Starting at number 1. Sylvox Pool Pro 2.0 Full Sun Outdoor TV. Best overall. The Sylvox Pool Pro 2.0 offers an amalgam of a no-nonsense design, a tough build, and excellent picture quality with top-notch, 2000 nit peak brightness. Its HDR-enabled 4K display generates a vibrant image with rich colors, stellar contrast, and wide viewing angles, even under direct sunlight. If the picture has one flaw, it's that it lacks a 120 Hz refresh rate, which would improve the image quality of fast-moving sports and gaming, and is becoming more and more common in conventional TVs. Its speakers are fairly impressive, too, with multi-dimensional Dolby Atmos support right out of the box. That said, I generally recommend investing in a soundbar, especially for large outdoor spaces. The metal housing of the Pool Pro 2.0 is sleek and solid. Its controls are conveniently placed on its right side on a dedicated panel, which makes operating the TV without a remote easy. The bundled remote control has an intuitive layout with shortcuts for popular streaming apps, as well as a waterproof build. By outdoor TV standards, the Pool Pro 2.0 is one of the most versatile options around, with sizes ranging from a compact 43 inches to a massive 75 inches, and is fairly affordable for a full-sun model. If you're looking to pull out all the stops, Sylvox makes a pricier QLED Pool Pro 2.0, which features a brighter QLED screen and Dolby Vision support. At about $1,000 extra, depending on the size, it's a tough sell, but also a substantial upgrade. Number 2. SunBrite Veranda 3 Series Full Shade Outdoor TV. Best full shade. The Veranda 3 Series by SunBrite is ideal for shaded outdoor spaces, such as decks, patios, or porches. Its QLED panel features full-array local dimming, which generates a top-notch picture with wide viewing angles. Its 1000 nit peak brightness, while not exactly best in class, is fine so long as you position it in the shade, where you won't get glare from direct sunlight. In a properly shaded outdoor setting, watching the Veranda 3 Series feels like watching a top-tier TV indoors. Its vibrant colors and dark blacks create a deep, immersive picture, especially with Dolby Vision HDR content. Its high refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures smooth visuals during live sports and intense gaming sessions. Another feature that impressed me about the Veranda 3 Series is its generously sized media bay for using another streaming player. Linking an Apple TV 4K to the TV allowed me to effortlessly stream content from an iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. If you are an Android user, you are good to go out of the box, as the device runs Google TV. Number 3. Sylvox 2025 Gaming Series Partial Sun Outdoor TV. Best partial sun day. Gaming is rarely a top consideration in outdoor TVs, but if you're planning to bring your consoles outside, then the Sylvox Gaming Series feels like a no-brainer. It delivers a top-tier gaming experience with smooth graphics and detail-rich visuals, provided you minimize its exposure to direct sunlight, especially at high noon. The gaming series has many of the special, gaming-forward features that we look for in any gaming TV, including a higher-than-average 120 Hz refresh rate, HDMI 2.1 connectivity, support for variable refresh rate, and an automatic low-latency mode. Games and TV both looked excellent. They sounded great, too, thanks to Dolby Atmos-enabled 10-watt speakers, which pumped out a respectable sonic experience in a partially enclosed outdoor space. Above all, I was impressed with the price. At less than $2,000 for a 55-inch TV, you're getting a top-notch outdoor TV at a very reasonable price. Number 4. Samsung The Terrace Full Sun Outdoor TV. Best full sun. If you have no budgetary restrictions and want the absolute best picture possible, Samsung's The Terrace Outdoor TV offers uncompromising visuals with advanced features you can't get from dedicated outdoor TV brands like Sylvox. Its mini LED Neo-Clad TV panel features an anti-reflective coating that guarantees a stunning viewing experience with deep contrast and vivid colors, even under the midday sun. Thanks to sophisticated AI upscaling features, the screen will adapt its settings to ensure that your movie or show always looks its best, from news and movies to gaming and live sports. Samsung's intuitive Tizen OS also brings helpful features uncommon to outdoor TVs, including voice commands and an Xbox Cloud gaming app. It lacks Dolby Vision HDR, which we'd expect in a TV with this robust feature set. The remote is sleek and comes equipped with solar charging, so you'll never have to worry about swapping batteries. The Terrace comes in only large screen sizes, 65 or 75 inches, with the latter pushing the price up to nearly 5 figures. Samsung also makes a lower-priced 55-inch partial sun TV, which it also calls the Terrace. It is a strong performer, but they are not the same TV. The smaller model does not offer the same features or visual fidelity as its larger cousins. Number 5. Sylvox Cinema Pro Mini LED Outdoor TV. Brightest screen. The Sylvox Cinema Pro series pushes the brightest screen in its class, giving it the clearest picture in overly sunny situations. This quantum dot enhanced mini LED panel puts out exceptional luminosity, up to 3,500 nits. Even when it doesn't have to combat the sun, that extra brightness improves its picture quality, maximizing the HDR capacity of its Dolby Vision enhanced full array local dimming, so you get boosted colors and deeper contrast. The all-round picture quality of the Sylvox Cinema Pro is a strong best-in-class contender and worth its hefty price tag, which is lower than that of the Terrace. I'd still drop the extra cash for the Samsung, because of its more refined design and superior 4K upscaling tech, but this is a great compromise if you want to splurge, but can't spend $7,500 to $10,000 on a TV. And there you have it. From the ultimate budget saver to the no-expense-spared luxury model, one of these 5 TVs is the perfect centerpiece for your backyard paradise. To make your decision easy, I've compiled direct links to every single model we discussed, with updated 2025 pricing and specs, in the description below. If this guide saved you from a costly mistake, please hit that like button, it helps more than you know. Share this with someone who's dreaming of an outdoor setup, and subscribe for more honest, in-depth guides to make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Now go build that backyard theater!